Hey, everybody. So, yesterday we looked at analogies where we have two sets of words that are comparing to each other, and those comparisons are the same. We used synonyms yesterday. Today we're going to talk about that analogies aren't just synonyms. There's also other ways of looking at analogies, and there's more. Today we're just going to touch on antonyms as another way of thinking about analogies. So my first one is tardy is too early as abundant is too rare. So when I think about these words, tardy means that you are late. So the opposite of late is early. So those are antonyms that we've got going on here. And then when I think about abundant, that second set of words, abundant means there's a lot. So the opposite of abundant or a lot is rare, meaning that there are very few. So let's take a look at this next one and see if we can come up with some words that might fit with the next example. So dull is to keen as ancestor is to blank. Now these two words, dull and keen, you might not know. So, dull means either that you're not very bright or that you are not sharp. So, a knife can be dull, a person could be dull. Is too keen. And so, this is someone who is the opposite. They'd be considered sharp, clever. They're very on it. So, not sharp to sharp. So these are antonyms. As ancestor is to blank. So ancestor is someone who comes before me. Someone that comes after me would be my descendant. So we have opposites here. We have not sharp to sharp. Before, what's the opposite of before me is after me. All right, so let's take a look at these and think about this combination of words and see what might be the best to fill in the blank here. So I have routine is to habit, as examine is to blank. Take a moment, see if you can figure out the relationship between the first set of words to see if you can come up with a word that might work here. Okay, so routine is something that you do consistently, often on a schedule, which often is a habit that you begin to form. So these are actually synonyms of one another. So the word you picked here should be a synonym for examine. And one potential answer is to inspect. I examine something, I inspect something, I look into something, right? So this is a relationship between synonyms. Let me give you another one here. Let's see if you can figure it out. Deny is to oppose, as destroy is to. Again, these words, deny and oppose, when I think about them, they are synonyms. So when I think of a word to destroy, that might be a synonym for destroy, that word would be demolish. Yeah. And then let's see here. Last one. Simple is to challenging, as distant is to. Yeah, this one's pretty a little bit clearer. Simple and challenging, these are antonyms. So something that's an antonym for distance. There's probably lots of words that could fit, but this particular one has nearby, close. So, all right. And this is just a reminder that antonyms are, or analogies are a relationship between two pairs of words. Sometimes those words are related. such as synonyms, or they can be the exact opposite. They can be antonyms. But the relationship between the first set of words is the same relationship to the second set of words. All right. Thanks so much.